Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude has already made a high from 134. After that there is a continuous downfall we have seen. But if you look at from the month of 2022 of October, we have seen this is the range where the price is moving for so long. Okay, and this is the only period we have seen that there is a good volatility, because what we have seen at these levels, that whenever it was making a new high, a good rise we have seen. Okay, and this was the time where the corona peak was ending, and that is where we have seen a high. After that it tries to go down because profit booking has come, and then it went up. But this is the war situation where the price was made a high, and after that there is a fall. Now if you look at this particular trend, there is a clear pattern forming downside. Okay, this is the similar pattern, but what you have to understand that the price will not go directly like this fall. Okay, it will halt for some time to go up. This is how it moves. Okay, so you have to be careful when the price move up, because so you have to decide your quantity, risk, SL, okay, and target. These all things you have to decide as per the volatility. See, suppose if the volatility is high in this range, then you have to decide your SL accordingly and quantity. But if the volatility is much higher, then you have to decide according to that. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, the price has already gone below a level of 67.8, which is a strong support. Now the price is trading at 67.51. okay, if the price started falling below this particular level and move below a level of 66.45, chances can be high it can go further low, and yes, there is a probability that it can touch a level of 64.75, which is the low of this particular level. Okay, which level we have not seen since, you can say, from June of 23. Okay, and chances can be high a further downfall we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart. See, there is a opposite U pattern is forming. How the price of dollar index is moving, because see, dollar index is deciding the movement what we have seen in the import and export differences. So you have to understand that if the price of dollar index started going down, we will see the crude price goes up. Okay, similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the crude price goes down. Okay, but sometime what they happen, the both moves in same direction, what we have seen now. Okay, so what you have to put, you have to put your SL in that case. Okay, and keep trailing the SL, so that your profit and capital both should be saved. Okay, so now looking at this particular chart, dollar index is also creating a downside, and it has already moved below a level of 100.5, which is, I have told you, is a strong support. So chances can be high there it can go below a level of 100, and probability of moving below a level of 99.5 we can see, because this level is already being weak. So chances are high it will go towards a level of 99.3, and from there fall. But if it started forming a swing and started going above a level of 101, and then started sustaining a level of 101.5, then we can see there will be a rise towards higher, and then a probability of touching 1.2 we can see, and then a probability of further upside. So you have to keep these points in mind, that if it started sustaining again 100.5, once we can see a level of 101, and then to a level of 101.5, and then a further upside movement. Okay, now coming back on the crude price, what we can see. Okay, see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high it will not sustain. It can go towards a level of around 66.45, and once the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 66 level. Once the price falling below that particular lower level, we can see it will go towards a level of $64.75. Okay, and then a further fall we can see below a level of 63.6. 63.6 is already being tested, so chances are high it will move further down, and it will see a level of around $62.86. And once started falling below that level, we will see it will go towards a level of 58.5, and then a further low. Okay, because there will be a zone breakout, so chances of falling will be there. But suppose if it started moving, sustaining this level, we can see it can go towards $69.03. Okay, and if the price moving off this level, we can see it will go towards a level of around 71.24. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards $72.35. Okay, and suppose if the price sustaining of 72.35, a probability of going towards a level of around 74.5 we can see after crossing a level of 73. Okay, and then if the price moving out this level, we can see it will go towards 76.7, and this is the point where you have to understand we can see a further upside movement towards a level of around 78.5, and then a further upside movement towards a level of 80.65, and then a further upside. So you have to keep it in mind. If the price started sustaining over 76.5, we will see a further upside, but if it started going below again, we can see a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give you the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,